Good morning all, my name is Vidya, 4th standard. Honorable esteemed President, worthy teacher, my dear friends, happy Independence Day to all of you. Today as we are now gathered here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our beloved India. This freedom on struggles of Mahatma Gandhi. Jai Jai Hind Bharat. Everyone, we are all family members together here to celebrate Independence Day. Our country was ruled by British till 300 years and all our Indians were slave or British. On that situation, a number of freedom fighters for that against British and some died in that battle. Subhash Chandra Bose, Kitturu Rani Chennamma, MK of our country. We must follow their ideals in our life. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್. ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ. Sir, I am Tanvi from class 4. It is an honor for me to say my few words of love for my beloved country. On this 75th Independence Day, today everyone in our country is happy and celebrating Independence Day with a great love for the country. And we all are indebted to our leaders who have made this happen for us. This is indeed because ತರಗತಿ ಇಂದು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ. ಸಾವಿರಾರು ದೇಶಭಕ್ತರ ಬಲಿದಾನಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆ ದಾಸತ್ವದಿಂದ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಹೊಂದಿ 1947 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 14ರಂದು ನಿಟ್ಟುಸಿರು ಅಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ 12 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಜಾಕ್ ಧ್ವಜವನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಿಳಿ ಹಸಿರು ಬಣ್ಣದ ತ್ರಿವರ್ಣ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ಸುಜಲಾಂ ಸುಫಲಾಂ ಮಲಯಜ ಶೀತಲಾಂ. Hi, I am Pratiksha. I am studying 5th standard GLP School, Muluru. I am talking about Independence Day. Wish you all happy Independence Day. Because of COVID-19, we are not celebrating Independence Day differently at home with all the family members. We are ದೇಶ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನದು, ಸಿಂಧು ಕಣಿವೆ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಗಿರಿಯು ನನ್ನದು, ಸಿಂಧು ಕಣಿವೆ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಗಿರಿಯು ನನ್ನದು, ದೇಶ 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 ನನ್ನದು, ದೇಶ 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 ನನ್ನದು, ಹರಿಹರಿಯುವ ನೀರಗಣ ತೇಲಗುವ. Hi, I am Vishnardhana. First of all, wish you a very happy Independence Day. India got independent on 15 August 19. Good morning everyone, respected teachers and guests, my dear friends. I am talking about Independence Day. This day is celebrated as the national festival. On this day we remember our freedom fighter. We feel happy on this day. Prime Minister was the National Flag at the Red Fort, Delhi. Celebration of freedom. India got independence August 15, 1947 is our national festival. To all, I am Srishma. It is honor for me to present a short speech on Independence Day with you. Today is historic day in the history of our country. On this day, 15th August 1947, we got independence from the British. This day reminds us of our true worth and important as a freedom-loving, brave nation. The freedom that Gopala Krishna Gokhale, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai, Kitturu Chennamma, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat. Independence for British rule. This day is celebrated as the national festival. Hello everyone, my name is Yoga. I am studying in 1st standard. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. We got freedom on this day. We hoist our national flag on this day. We sing our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. We remember. Good morning everyone. My name is Chirag, 3rd standard. Respected teacher and parents. ಭಾರತದ ಜನ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಮನ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಒಂದಂತೆ ಬರಡಾಗದ ನೆಲ ಹರಿದಾಡುವ ಜಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರದೇನಂತೆ ಭಾರತದ ಜನ ಮಾಡುವೆ ಒಂದ.
Thankful to all of who are participated in Google Meet. Honorable Sir, independence is a great gift of God. It is indeed a blessing of our Lord. We are an independent, fairly respected and progressive nation of this world. We are advanced agriculture system, self-sufficient in many resources. Today we play an important role in all important internal affairs around the world. Our youth are leading the world in technology and engineering. In fact, since the day of independence for this day, we are much developed in every.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸುದೀಕ್ಷಾ, 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 75ರ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಈ ಸುದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನೇ ಪಣವಾಗಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರು.
Good morning everyone. I am Samar, 2nd standard. Today is 5th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. We got freedom on this day. US national flag on this day. This is national anthem Janaganamana. Independence Day is the celebration of our freedom. This year we are celebrating our 75 Independence Day. Is a public holiday and is celebrated our enthusiasm to be Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಭಾಷಣ. ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಭಾರತೀಯರ ಮೈಮನೆಗೆ everyone. I am Disha. This ended we are celebrating Diamond Jubilee of Independence Day. Independence Day is National Festival of India. India got Independence Day. India got independence on 16 August 1947. On this day, the flag is saluted and national song are sing in everywhere. On this day, the people remember the sacrifice of the great freedom fighters. We should
ಸಿಂಚನ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಗುರುಗಳೇ, ಪೋಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ 75ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾವು ಇಂದು
Ehe, ho, ho, la, 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 la. He, ehe, ho, ho, la, 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 la. Ehe, ho, la, 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 la. ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಯ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ, ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ. ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಯ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ, ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ. ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ಒಂದೇ, ಹರಿವ ಜಲವೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ಒಂದೇ, ಹರಿವ ಜಲವೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಬೀಸುವ ಗಾಳಿಯು ಒಂದೇ, ಜನಿಸುವ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಒಂದೇ. ಬೀಸುವ ಗಾಳಿಯು ಒಂದೇ, ಜನಿಸುವ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಒಂದೇ. ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರು ಇವರು, ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರು ಇವರು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರು ಇವರು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಯ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ, ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ, ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ, ನಾವು ನೀವು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆ.
Day.